Hey guys, I'm camping again here. I got a simple setup again. I got a dog here, my mom's dog. And I'm gonna show you guys the place. So let me just undo this. That dog's name is Cece. And she's probably gonna try to get out in a second. I'm just chilling with her for now. I'm gonna go take you guys on a detour around the place. One sec, guys. I'll be gone for like a minute, Sassy. Stay. So yeah, guys. If I can get this done up. Be back. I'm just gonna go take you guys on a detour, and it's up. I think that's like this little piece. There's lots of bugs out here. I'm camping. I found a little plain spot, but I'm still going camping in BC, like I told you guys. So these shoes are really bad, so I took them. Got another pair, but I got some trees here, and we're gonna go out. There's the tent. I'm gonna go show you guys a cool little spot that I found. Well, looking around, I'm going the wrong way. Of course I am. It's like the best spot to set up a tent. Not really the best, but it's a pretty good spot. This is not it, but ooh, don't want to touch that. I haven't seen any deer or cougars yet. Surprised. Oh, mosquitoes. And that is poison ivy. Or rhubarb. Which is strange. Why is it rhubarb? Oh. It's rhubarb or poison ivy, but so I'm gonna, yeah guys, it's nice out here. I'm still gonna go to British Columbia, BC, as I call it, soon still, but yeah guys, so this is the X-Rebels here, I'm a rebel today. Like, subscribe, comment, bye bye.